Best deals.
1. Cutlery Organizer. The smart pull-out feature allows you to slide the compartments toward you, making it super easy to add or remove cutlery without struggling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Flat Mop. Enjoy on-the-go cleaning with its built-in spray system, 360 degrees swivel mop head, and ultra-absorbent microfiber pads. Just spray and glide. Cleaning has never been this smooth. No bucket needed. Refill the cartridge with water or cleaning solution for instant use. Easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The rectangular design is perfect for reaching hard to clean spots like wall edges and corners. The 36 cm wide mop head and flat design covers more area in a single wipe, clean more in less time. Designed for use on hardwood, tile, laminate, and stone, this mop set glides smoothly across various surfaces. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Gas burner stand. Used above a gas pan supporter, comfortably fits on most gas hob stove burner supporters. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage jar. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, ensuring safe storage for rice, flour, and other grains without any harmful chemicals. Designed with a secure seal to protect contents from insects and moisture, keeping your food fresh and safe for longer. The spacious interior allows for easy filling and dispensing, making it perfect for household use, especially for bulk grains like rice and flour. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass mixing bowl. It's dishwasher safe, easy to clean, microwave safe, freezer safe, oven safe. The glass bowls remain crystal clear, looking brand new even after thorough use because of their scratch-resistant quality. Durable high-quality borosilicate glass, chemicals, BPA and lead-free, stain and odor-free. High thermal shock resistance. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Perfume refill bottle. Effortlessly refill from your preferred perfume bottle with our innovative design. Compact pocket size for easy portability, ideal for office, college, parties, or travel. Crafted with high-quality aluminum and glass for durability and long-lasting use. Glass construction allows for easy monitoring of perfume levels, ensuring you know when to refill. 5 megaliters size provides approximately 100 sprays of your favorite fragrance. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Manual hand press juicer. Extract juice out of orange, pineapple, grapes, sweet lime, watermelon, pomegranate, palak, tomato. Made of food-grade ABS material, it is designed with a lockable orange squeezer bowl that keeps seeds and pulp out of your juice without any need for a separate strainer. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Drawers. Drawers to fit under any type of table, wardrobe or platform. A perfect desk organizer for your various needs. Two-way adhesive tape provided with the drawers. Can hold good load. Stylish design. Premium look. Smooth edges. Available in small, medium and large sizes. Comes with removable dividers. Keep your desk clutter-free with this multi-purpose drawer organizer. Perfect to store pens, stationery, mobile phones, earphones and other personal belongings. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. Made using only the best quality materials that are European food-grade virgin raw materials and following the most stringent of international standards. Ideal for office executives and college students, 4 unique tight and spill-proof containers that keep food and beverage fresh and crisp for hours. The containers have airtight lids. This will prevent moisture from damaging your cooked food. These lids are also leak-proof so your food will not come out from the container even if it's semi-liquid. And come with a steel spoon and fork. Easy to carry containers along with a durable covering bag. You can keep these containers all together safely in this bag. Easy to clean fabric jacket along with zipper to ensure best-in-class lunch box range online. They're spill-proof and also freezer-safe and dishwasher-safe. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cake boards. Each looks shiny and smooth, ideal for showing off your baking creation. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cutlery holder. Crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kilograms with powerful adhesion system. Cutlery organizer comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for your cutlery such as spoon, fork, chopstick, knives, spatula, ladle and 4 hanging hooks, with small size drain holes in the bottom of each container. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Water dispenser pump. Premium water pump is equipped with a high-capacity 1200 mAh battery, ensuring an extended operational lifespan. With this long-lasting battery, you can trust that the pump will reliably serve your water dispensing needs, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopping board. You can cut any boiled vegetable with a cutter on it. This board is heat resistant. Being made of stainless steel, this blade is rust-proof. Polypropylene (PP) is a thermoplastic addition polymer made from the combination of propylene monomers. Polypropylene is an extremely durable material, a perfect tool for cutting of vegetable and fruit without any finger cuts. Two-sided razor-sharp blades helps to chop all vegetables in shapes and sizes of your choice. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Coffee mug. Extremely lightweight and impact-resistant to withstand everyday use and a perfect alternative to plastic, glass, and ceramic glasses. Modernly designed mugs are available in 9 earthy colors for a touch of style. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Table decor. The wooden radio retro theme slide calendar comes with 4 compartments where you can keep your office supplies safe and close. Keep track of your year with this beautifully designed table organizer cum calendar. The farewell gift for colleagues, a birthday gift for a friend, a gift for the boss, gifts for office colleagues. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Silicone hot handle holder. Must have kitchen tool to beat the heat, easy to grip and comfortable to hold silicone sleeves for lifting or moving a pan. Sleek sleeves to guard your hands against too hot to touch pots and pan handle. Provides a better and a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Splatter cover. The microwave plate cover is made of food-grade material with BPA-free, environmental and health, easy to clean. Microwave cover for food, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, food safe. The microwave lid cover for food is a good helper in your kitchen. This microwave splatter cover with steamer helps maintain the moisture and taste of your food. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Trivets. Mats are heat protection and insulated as a protector for countertop, table, stove or others. Heat resistant temperature from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, safe for use in the oven, freezer, microwave and as a pot holder, trivet, jar opener, spoon rest or anywhere you need extra grip or extreme heat. Hot pads are thicker than traditional sets to provide long-lasting durability and better protection for your countertops while maintaining their flexibility. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Pizza slicer. Excellent for slicing pizza, garlic bread, naan, parathas, grilled sandwiches. Best for mincing and chopping leafy vegetable, meat, chicken. The blades are hardened and tempered to achieve the required hardness and long-lasting edge. Keep all your pizza toppings intact as you slice through the crust in one fluid rocking motion. Simply put the blade at the middle of the pizza and rock from side to side. Lift the cutter and rotate the pizza and repeat for the number of slices desired, and voila! Product link is given in the 19th link.